Here's a clear, engaging English video script for your topic, written in a YouTube-friendly storytelling style and ready to use. How to make your relationship better. Relationship advice. Opening hook, 0 o'clock to 0:20. Every relationship starts with love. But staying in love takes effort. If you feel misunderstandings, distance, or silence growing between you and your partner, this video is for you. Today, I'll share simple but powerful ways to make your relationship better and stronger. One, communicate honestly. Strong relationships are built on honest communication. Speak openly about your feelings, but also listen without interrupting. Sometimes your partner doesn't need solutions. They just need to be heard. 2. Respect each other's emotions. Never make fun of your partner's feelings. What feels small to you may feel huge to them. Respect builds emotional safety, and emotional safety builds love. 3. Spend quality time together. Put your phone down. Look into each other's eyes. Even 15 minutes of genuine connection every day can change your relationship completely. 4. Appreciate the small things. Say thank you. Say I'm proud of you. Say I'm lucky to have you. Appreciation turns ordinary moments into emotional bonding. 5. Handle arguments maturely. Arguments are normal. Disrespect is not. Never insult, shout, or bring up past mistakes. Fight to solve the problem, not to win. 6. Support each other's growth. A healthy relationship doesn't control. It supports. Grow together, not apart. Celebrate each other's dreams instead of competing with them. 7. Keep the romance alive. Love needs effort. Small surprises, kind words, and physical affection keep the emotional spark alive. Conclusion end. A better relationship doesn't happen overnight. It's built every day through patience, understanding, and love. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss relationship advice that truly matters. Thank you for watching. If you want, I can also add emotional storytelling, create a thumbnail title, rewrite it for a 10-minute video ad, or do English mix style. Just tell